This looks like mango. Seems to be some sort of chewy snack. How about a chewy snack? Oh yeah, it looks like just candy. Very nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 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 Yeah, that's good. That is yummy. As you get deeper into the bites. Oh, another loogie over there. Cheers. It becomes more of a creamy mango. Like a mango creamsicle in your mouth, which I'm all for. I love it. 10. 10. I think that's a different hacker. That's part of the culture. Hacking massive loogies. I'm all about it. You know, that gets me going.